Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the hidden potential of everyday household items. We all have common items lying around our homes that we tend to use for just one purpose. But did you know that these items can serve a variety of unexpected and incredibly useful functions? From cleaning hacks to quick fixes, these surprising uses can save you time, money, and even stress. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be looking at your household items in a whole new light. Let's jump right into it. 1. Coffee filters as cleaning cloths. First on our list is the humble coffee filter. While they're designed for brewing that perfect cup of coffee, they can also double as fantastic cleaning cloths. The absorbent, lint-free material makes them ideal for cleaning glass surfaces, mirrors, and even electronic screens without leaving any streaks or scratches. Pair a coffee filter with a simple solution of water and vinegar, and you'll get a streak-free shine every time. Don't toss those used coffee filters just yet, they might just become your new favorite cleaning tool. 2. Toothpaste for cleaning silver. Next up is toothpaste, a bathroom staple known for keeping our teeth clean and white. But did you know it's also great for polishing silver? Over time, silver jewelry and utensils can lose their shine and become tarnished. A dab of non-gel toothpaste can work wonders in bringing back that sparkle. Just apply a small amount to a soft cloth or an old toothbrush, gently rub it onto the silver, and rinse it off with warm water. You'll be amazed at how easily the tarnish disappears, leaving your silver looking brand new. 3. Rubber bands as jar openers. We all know the frustration of trying to open a stubborn jar lid. Here's where rubber bands come in handy. Simply wrap a thick rubber band around the edge of the jar lid to increase your grip, making it much easier to twist open. This trick is especially useful for anyone with arthritis or a weak grip. Rubber bands can also be used to secure open jars, ensuring the contents stay fresh. So next time you struggle with a jar, reach for a rubber band and make your life a little easier. 4. Vinegar for unclogging drains. Vinegar is a powerhouse in the kitchen, not just for cooking but also for cleaning. One of its most surprising uses is for unclogging drains. Instead of using harsh chemicals, try a natural solution of vinegar and baking soda. Start by pouring boiling water down the drain, followed by a cup of baking soda, then a cup of vinegar. The chemical reaction will help break down the clog, and a final rinse of boiling water will clear it away. It's an eco-friendly and effective way to keep your drains flowing smoothly. 5. Aluminum foil for sharpening scissors. Did you know that aluminum foil can sharpen your dull scissors? It's true. Simply fold a piece of foil several times to make it thick, then cut through it with your scissors. The foil hones the blades, making them sharper and more efficient. This trick works for all types of scissors, from kitchen shears to craft scissors, extending their lifespan without the need for a professional sharpener. 6. Dryer sheets for dusting. Dryer sheets aren't just for laundry anymore. Used dryer sheets can be repurposed as dusting cloths for your home. They're perfect for cleaning baseboards, blinds, and even electronic screens, as they attract dust and dirt without leaving behind fibers. The anti-static properties of dryer sheets also help prevent dust from settling again too quickly. Before you toss those used sheets, give them a second life as a dusting tool. 7. Banana peels for polishing shoes. Bananas are a delicious and healthy snack, but don't throw away the peel. The inside of a banana peel can be used to polish leather shoes. The natural oils and potassium in the peel help clean and shine the leather. Just rub the inside of the peel onto the shoes, then buff them with a clean cloth. It's an eco-friendly and effective way to keep your shoes looking their best. 8. Thread for picking up broken glass. Breaking a glass is never fun, but cleaning up doesn't have to be a nightmare. A simple slice of bread can help pick up tiny shards of glass that are hard to see. Just press the soft part of the bread over the area, and it will pick up even the smallest pieces, making cleanup safer and easier. It's a quick, safe solution that can prevent accidental cuts. 9. Lemon for deodorizing the microwave. Microwaves can get pretty messy and smelly over time. Instead of using harsh chemicals, try a lemon. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice into a microwave-safe bowl, add some water, and heat it for a few minutes. The steam will loosen grime, and the lemon's natural oils will leave your microwave smelling fresh. Wipe it down with a cloth afterward, and you'll have a clean, deodorized microwave in no time. 10. baking soda for extinguishing fires. Last but certainly not least, baking soda is a must-have for kitchen safety. In the event of a small grease fire, you can use baking soda to extinguish the flames. Just throw a handful of baking soda onto the fire. It releases carbon dioxide, which helps smother the flames. This could be a lifesaver in an emergency, so keep some baking soda handy in your kitchen. And there you have it, -10 surprising uses for everyday household items. These tips not only make life a bit easier, but also promote a more resourceful and sustainable lifestyle. Next time you're faced with a minor inconvenience, remember to think creatively about the items you already have at home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.